Yesterday, I cried because I was so happy, and I'm pretty sure that the match yesterday will be one of the best match in my football career. I think we just fight. We fight for each other. We fight for Vietnamese supporters, and we fight for everything of Vietnam. And I think the fighting spirit is one of the best weapon of Vietnam in this tournament. During the match, I told them that we have nothing to lose, and we just need to be focused on the game, focused on the penalty shootout, and we try with our 200%, and yes, we made it. Unbelievable. It was incredible night for Vietnam and for me. For the next match against Qatar, now the coaching staff, they are working to analyze the opponent, and for the match against Qatar, we're going to continue like this, and I hope we can have a good result. I think the best is fighting spirit and the very good tactic from the head coach and the coaching staff, and very good preparation of the Vietnamese Football Federation, and the solidarity of the team. Yeah, we fight for each other. I think, yeah, this is the main strength of the team. Against Qatar, I think we cannot say anything before the match, but I just can tell you that we will do our best for Vietnamese supporters.